Hello, I'm Matteo,
Metz.
and we bought some samples of some of the products that we designed, and we're quite excited, and we thought we would share it with all of you and do an unboxing.
Voila. Let's go.
Knife. Do you remember what we even ordered?
I do believe that we ordered some seasonally appropriate beach towels
Yes.
and some totes.
Why don't you go first? Oh, packing slip.
Wow. Let's see what we have here. Moon snail. So this is one of our totes. I'm going to open it up.
You wanna?
Maybe.
Or should we cut? I don't really want to use a knife because I end up cutting stuff.
So this is one of our seashell totes with the moon snail. Very
Actually,
nice.
It turned out rather well.
Yes, very nice deep coat. Very roomy.
And then the back
I like that.
is the back of the shell. So we have a front and a back. And I bought this to use as a knitting bag. Ooh, I think that'll work out really well. Oh, there's our little logo at the bottom. And I think the red, I like the red. The red turned out well.
Yeah.
You never know when you design these things how they're actually going to look when they're done. So that's why we bought some samples. Oh, there's an inside pocket with our logo. Please visit metzmatteo.com. Okay. Very happy.
It looks like it's going to be a nice sturdy tote too.
And it looks like there's another tote. I think this one's yours. You open mine, so I'll open yours.
Seems appropriate.
Well, and the thing about this, I thought maybe the material would be really stiff, but it's not.
Now see, this would be so great if my mask were not in the wash right now, because I have a mask that looks exactly like this. This is awesome.
So, let's put the-
Oh, this came out wonderful. I love that.
okay, so this is just our logo on front and back.
Mm-hmm.
These bags come either with a black handle, red handle, or goldenrod, I think, which I think would look both. It's good to control.
Very nice. I like the interior.
Yeah, it's lined,
Yeah.
which it didn't say in the description. There's like a black liner, which is nice.
And this is going to hold a lot.
I think it's a 16 by 20 ish, because it's not perfectly square. And then, ooh, you should open this one, Matt.
Okay.
That goes with the tote, the
Matching.
matching.
I think we're going to have to stand up for this one. I think we're going to both have to,
All right.
if I'm any judge of what the size is going to be.
Ooh, I really like that blue.
So, this is beach towel, which I have it upside down.
Well, yes. That goes in the corner. That's our logo in the corner there. The Dragonfly, designed by our wonderful friend Dennis Snowdrift. But this is the color matching of the. It's pretty close.
I really like the material of this towel. Could almost be a lap blanket.
Yeah, it's very soft on one side and terry on the other.
And I like the size too.
It makes me want to open mine. This is a one of a kind. I don't actually have this on the website.
But let us know if you like it and want one.
Because we weren't sure how people would feel about it. It's a giant version of our logo. You grab the other side. So it's the big dragonfly, which for some people might find creepy. And this is the silver color, I think, which is subtle. But, you know, when you're wrapped,
Very nice.
it's kind of attacking. So if anyone,
there's something on your back, Matt.
yes, if anyone wants one, let me know and I'll add it to our site. But right now, this is a one-of-a-kind, my only personal designed logo towel.
And last but not least, this was joked about, and then we looked at it when we designed it and thought it was really great, and decided to go ahead and go with it. One of Matteo's photographs of beach, sand, and rocks.
So when you put it on the sand, it'll disappear. Kind of a joke blanket, but sort of fun at the same time.
To get some looks on the beach when you're laying on this and people think you're laying on actual stones, this would be great. I really like the quality of the way the photo.
Yeah,
transferred to the
considering
towel.
you know how large this is 24 by 46, I think, something like that.
I mean, it really truly looks like a giant photograph.
Yeah. Yeah, the detail of the rocks is really amazing. The sand, you know, that's going to be hard for that to come out on top of the material, but
I think it looks great.
yeah.
It came out great.
Ta-dam! That's our unveiling. Oh, you're folding it the other way.
I don't know what I'm doing.
So that's the unveiling of our samples, our summer samples. They're all available on metzmatteo.com. Thank you for tuning in this beautiful 64-degree day, I guess. Yep.
Like I said, seasonally appropriate.
And thank you, Rob, for filming us.
Thank you.